Guys, I'm just hopping on with the camera at this angle tonight. I don't have my tripod. My lighting's a mess. It's really been quite an interesting day, but I picked a ton of blueberries from the garden this morning. So I wanted to share with you guys one of my most favorite things to make when I have a lot of blueberries. They're blueberry oat bars with a little added protein in them, not very high in sugar. They keep in the fridge for up to 4 days and the whole family can just graze off of them. It can really replace your granola bars for the week. Apologies for the dogs. I have a lot of them and they're unruly today. But be sure to check out the recipe link in the description. I put oats in a teacup. Is this like, well, it's a really huge teacup. Would the British be mad if the teacup was this big, or is this okay? Let me know in the comments.